Hi, my name is Jared, and I am a Sublimation Specialist at JDS Industries. On a day-to-day basis, I help customers with tech support, whether it's with a sublimation printer or with their sublimation products that we offer. The best part of my job is getting to know a lot of our customers, whether it's on the phone or either at trade shows. I just love talking to our customers, hearing what they have done with all of our products, and just the excitement that they have with everything that we offer to them. The nicest thing that I've had a customer say to me is that they are grateful that we are here for technical support. That's the number one thing, and it's not just one customer, it's almost all of our customers. We hear it every day. They're just really happy and excited that we're here on a daily basis to help them out.